Hi, I'm Uzair. I'm with the Plano ISD Senior High Culinary Program, and today we're going to be making a submerged acai bowl. Add the acai packet, banana, pineapple, and half the water into a blender. With adult permission, blend until smooth. The remaining water may be needed to achieve the desired texture. Next, remove the leafy tops and pour the strawberries with a butter knife. Pour equal amounts of the acai mix into 2 serving bowls, and a rubber spatula may be needed to scrape the sides of the blender. Finally, top each bowl with equal amounts of strawberries and blueberries and anchovy. Cheers.